So in this video we will learn how can we change the banner of the Spring Boot project. So I've created one Spring Boot project in another video. So let me show you what is the default banner which Spring Boot provides us. So let me run this project. So I'll just go to the main method and I'll just run this. So in the logs you will see there is a default banner the Spring Boot provides. It's written as this is Spring. So we'll just see that also from where it comes, which method creates this banner in the log. So we'll go into that coding part as well. But before that, let's change this banner. Okay. So I'll just search on the Google Spring Boot banner generator. There will be this website link on the first page. You will find it. Then whatever text you want to keep as a banner, so you can just type here and you can select any of the different font or style for your banner. So these are like different styles available here. So I'll keep something like this, banner 3D. Okay, so I'll just copy this and I'll just paste this in our resources folder. So I'll just go to resources. I'll just create one new file. Let's name it banner.txt. I'll just paste it here. Now let's run the project again. So I'll just go to the main method again and I will just run. So here you can see the new banner which we have kept in this file, that is coming in our log. So let's now see from where it is printing in the code. So as you can see here, so this main method is the starting point of our application. So this is Java project. So as you would know already that for any Java project, main method is the entry point for that program, Java program or Java application to run. So inside that there is a run method. So we'll just go into that. So here you can see there is another method run and it creates a Spring application object and it calls the run method upon that. So here if you go into this method, so here you will see there is one method of print banner. So it is calling that, and inside that print banner if you go, so here you can see that by default the banner mode is on. So it will go to the else part and it will print the banner from using this method. Actually it will use this method to print the banner. So if you are more curious, so you can go through this method and look into this, what it uses to create the banner exactly and how it is printing or adding to the log. So that's it for today, and if you have any more doubts or if you have some queries, so you can comment down and I will reply to them or make another video. Thank you.